Hey guys, welcome to Bonsai Crazy. I'm feeling all tropical today, so I thought I'd put on my Australian hat and my fishing gear and my necklace because I'm feeling very tropical. I'm going to do a Yucca bonsai. Yeah! I was watching Peter Chan from Heron's Bonsai and Nigel Saunders from the Bonsai Zone. I was watching their video with them meeting up and where Nigel showed Peter his Yucca bonsai. So I've got this big Yucca that I haven't been doing much with. It's just got one head. It's very long and spindly. Look, I'll show you this quickly. It's just very long and spindly. Doesn't really do much. And it's got this little shoot down the bottom here and another one coming up here. So I thought, do you know what? I'm going to bonsai this. So I'm going to chop it here. I'm going to get it out of this pot, put it in a different pot, and hopefully, eventually, turn it into a bonsai. So let's get on with it. Right, so I think I'm going to do the chop around here, around this mark here, and then hopefully we'll get a shoot around here and it will come up and it will be about the right size. So I'm thinking around there. So I'm just going to give it a chop like that. I'm going to put some cut paste on that. I'll put some cut paste on that. I'm going to quickly get this out of the pot and we'll go from there. It's going to be hopefully a very quick video for you today. Wow, there we go. Look at the massive roots on that. Right, so instead of me messing about, I know I'm not going to want the majority of these roots. So I'm just going to come spray out, find my nabari, find how deep it goes. Using my chopstick from Dan from the Bonsai Project. Got to be careful around there because there's a little shoot coming out. Alright, so we know our roots are really going to town here. So I don't want all of this. This is very matted in. And the pot I want, the pot I'm going to use is about this size. So measuring up, that's around there. So I'm literally going to saw through this. And there we go, there half my root mass gone already. There we go, that's all blocked in, look. There you go guys, here's a quick 5-minute video for you. I've turned my yucca into a bonsai. Yay, tropical bonsai day, I'm calling it. So I really like the fact that I've left these roots here and running down into the actual soil level. I think it looks really quite nice. So I'm going to leave that like that, and hopefully that will form a big base nabari. Hopefully I'll get a sprout out of the top here, and I'm gonna put some cut paste on here now so it doesn't dry out, and hopefully it will spring out around here and we'll get a really nice bonsai. So yeah, as ever, please like and subscribe and follow this tree, and I'll see you soon, guys. Cheers. Ta-da.